I could go to school, I would definitely go here.
It's seriously the most beautiful campus. I would have thrived here.
Hey SCAD, I'm so glad to be here.
I absolutely love SCAD.
I love SCAD too. I love it more than John Krasinski.
I chose SCAD because of the opportunities that they gave to connect and network with so many industry professionals, and it opened up the doors and made me a better designer.
SCAD prepares every student for future success. The focus is, how do we best prepare future creative leaders for a rapidly changing business landscape?
The role that SCAD plays to set students up to lead and define new generations of solutioning is the most important thing that will translate into leadership later on.
And action!
What you're doing in the classroom is what you're going to be doing in the real world. In BSU, I want to create the spaces that I actually experienced in school in my workspace.
Their opportunities are absolutely endless. There's no limit to what you can do when you come to SCAD, and SCAD provides you the network and the resources to do those things.
It's like an actor's paradise, a filmmaker's paradise. You get access to everything and makes me want to go to school here.
The ability to be in an all-creative environment and work with so many people from different backgrounds definitely shaped who I became as a designer and really allowed me to expand in the current career that I have, but also other avenues of my life.